Hey, cat lovers! Welcome to a tale like no other. I'm your narrator, ready to whisk you away to a magical village where cats are not just pets, but heroes. Let's dive into the enchanting world of Whiskerville, where mystic cats save their day. In the heart of this picturesque village, where every nook breathes a story, lived Shadow, a sleek ebony cat with a secret. As the leader of the Nocturnals, Shadow and his comrades had a mission to protect their village under the moon's watchful eye. Now, meet Luna, with eyes as deep as the ocean and a gift of foresight. Rusty, the mighty tabby whose roar sends shivers down the spine of any intruder. And Whisper, small but mighty, gliding silently in the shadows. Together, they were the guardians, the unseen shield of Whiskerville. One fateful night, Luna's dreams painted a grim picture, a looming threat with eyes that could drown out the light itself. It was the Dark One, an old nemesis. The battle lines were drawn once again. Our brave Nocturnals embarked on a perilous journey to the Forgotten Forest, guided by Luna's visions. The forest tested their limits, with thunderous storms and hidden dangers lurking. But united, with Rusty's strength and Whisper's cunning, they reached their goal. The Amulet of Light, a beacon of hope. Back in Whiskerville, as darkness threatened to swallow their home, the Nocturnals stood ready. With the amulet in paw, Shadow faced the Dark One. "Your reign of darkness ends here," he declared. The battle was fierce. Shadows clashed with light, but the purity of the amulet sliced through the darkness. The Dark One, defeated by the resilience and unity of our heroes, vanished, leaving behind a village saved and grateful hearts. As dawn kissed the village, the cheers for these mystic cats filled the air. The Nocturnals, though weary, felt a renewed sense of purpose. They knew their bond and bravery would always light up Whiskerville, even on the darkest nights. And so, in the whispers of the wind and the rustling leaves, the legend of the Nocturnals lives on, a reminder that sometimes the smallest paws hold the power to bring the greatest light. Thanks for joining me on this magical journey. Remember, in the world of mystic cats, every whisker is a tale of courage. Farewell until our next adventure.